Lumulay, lumulay, subaninta, perangat ta.
Bumangon, bumangon, mga subanin, ito ang ating pag-unlad.
Bansa ta kalinaw, nagsilawan ta.
Lupain natin kapayapaan, liwanag ng dangal.
Perangat,
Indayog ng ating bayan.
Every November, the heart of Misamis Occidental beats louder than ever. In the city of good life, Oroqueta, tradition and progress dance as one. Perangat Festival, a celebration of the Subanan tribe, their stories, their songs, and their timeless spirit. Perangat, a Subanan word meaning progress, reminds us that our future is brighter when we honor our roots.
Lumulay, lumulay, subaninta, perangata.
bumangon, bumangon.
This is our culture, our pride, our progress. Viva Perangat Festival 2025! Viva Misamis Occidental!
Perangat, indayog ng ating bayan. Sa bundok, sa dagat, sabay ang awitan. Hangin ng pag-asa, damhin ng bayan. Pusong orokyeta, tibok ng lupa. Sa bawat sayaw, buhay ay umaasa.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Perangat Festival 2025 Ken Showdown, live here at the Mopac Grounds, City of Oroqueta, Province of Misamis Occidental.
Indayog ng pag-unlad, awit ng puso ng ating bayan. Tinig ng lupa, sigaw ng dangal, sa Misamis Occi, liwanag sumisika. Sa liwanag ng araw, sabay tayong sisikat. Buhayin ang sining, kultura at pangarap. Pag-ibig, kapatiran, pag-unlad ng bayan.
As we celebrate not just our fourth Perangat Festival, but also sa ika-96 nga founding anniversary of our province of Misamis Occidental.
Sigaw ng tagumpay, sa pagkakaisa, buhay ang kulay. Bawat hakbang, awit ng saya, perangat, pag-unlad ng bansa.
Perangat, o perangat, indayog ng puso't dangal ng bayan. Lumulay, lumulay, subanta, perangata, bansa ta, kalinaw, kaksilawan ta.
The Perangat Festival continues to be a powerful symbol of the Senso Misamis Occidental spirit, bringing together contingents not only from across the province but also from all over Mindanao. This unity and celebration of culture reflect the exceptional hospitality and shared pride of the Misamisnos.
The word Perangat, meaning to go up, pag-asinso, captures our collective aspiration to rise together, to move forward, and to achieve the vision of Asinso Misamis Occidental. Asinso Misamis Occidental!
Perangat Festival 2025 Grand Champion, Misamis City! Ikot sumayaw. Once again, friends, ladies and gentlemen, this is our musical fireworks display.